Good morning. Good morning, kids. Today I will feed some birds and some seagulls. Yes, seagulls. Ha 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 ha. I have some bread here, and I will put this bread here in front of the window, and I will try to feed some birds, and I'm expecting some seagulls. Yes, seagulls. I like seagulls. Let's see. Let's feed the seagulls. We have some water here for breads. Just pour some water into the plate. Put the breads into the water to make them more soft and tasty. One, two, yes, good. Yes, that is good. And three. Let the bread take all the water inside. This is our bird, and this is a seagull, and he is eating our bread. Have you seen that? Have you seen that? A crow is coming. This is a crow. Watch out! Watch out! Another crow is coming! Have you seen that crow? How he is eating the bread? Delicious! Look at that! Look at that! The seagull is back! The seagull is back! Look at that! The fight is still going on the floor. The crow is biting the seagull. Watch out! Watch out! The crow is biting the seagull. coming. Alarm, alarm, the cat is coming. Cat is coming. Cat is coming.